Hi everyone, the cultural space I will be talking about is Aventura. Aventura is located in the sunshine but also rainy state of Florida, South Florida to be more precise. And the reason I chose to speak about Aventura is because it's my hometown. It's where I was born and raised for most of my life before I moved out to California. So as you can see here, Aventura is located on a body of water. Most people live in high-rise buildings and others live in townhomes. As you can see in the background, Aventura is also located on the beautiful Atlantic Ocean, so if you are lucky enough, you will have ocean views. Aventura is also a intercultural culture. It has a lot of people living here from South America, as well as Israel, France, Portugal, Russia, really all over the world. People come to live here and definitely to visit here. Because there are so many South Americans living here, Aventura has become pretty Latin influenced. Another thing that attracts people to Aventura are the places of prayer. You have people of different religious levels coming here. As you can see here, this is a synagogue located in Aventura and a monastery, both beautiful. Another really amazing thing about Aventura is the architecture here. So you'll drive down one street and you'll see awesome modern buildings built in really cool shapes, but you'll also see nature and greenery, and you have the amazing ocean. One thing we're known for is Aventura Mall. It's actually the third largest mall in the United States. Here you can see how big the layout is. This is one of the main entrances, and here you would think that this is the whole entire mall, but that's actually just the new food court they just built, as well as a really fun slide they put in. One thing I loved about growing up in Aventura is how diverse the city is. I was able to label myself freely, whether it came to my ethnicity or religion, and it allowed me to adapt to other cultures with an open mindset, and that stayed with me until modern day, which I think is an amazing trait because, I love learning about other cultures, and growing up I got to do so. Most of my friends actually came from different backgrounds and ethnicities. So because we are Latin influenced, we kind of have a polychronic time lifestyle where we might show up to dinner late, we talk a lot with our hands, we express ourselves verbally and non-verbally to say hi to each other, and bye. We actually give each other a kiss on the cheek, just one, and I have to remember to not do that once I leave Aventura. If we are talking to each other loudly, it sounds like we're yelling at each other, but just know it's a normal conversation going on. Thank you.